In an electric circuit, electrons flow through a closed path, just like water flows through a pipe. This path is called a circuit. When the circuit is complete, meaning there is a loop from the positive terminal of a battery, through a switch, a resistor, and back to the negative terminal, electrons move in power devices. In the diagram, we can see a simple circuit with a voltage source marked as V, a switch S, and a resistor R. When the switch is closed, current flows. Now, let's understand circuit elements, which are the building blocks of any circuit. A circuit element is any single component like a resistor, a source, or a capacitor that performs a function in the circuit. These elements are divided into two main types, active and passive. Active elements can supply energy to the circuit. These include independent sources like batteries or power supplies, and dependent or controlled sources which depend on some other voltage or current in the circuit. Independent sources can either be voltage sources or current sources. Controlled sources are more advanced and can be voltage controlled or current controlled, and they can also supply voltage or current based on how they are designed. On the other hand, passive elements cannot supply energy, they only consume or store it. Common passive elements include resistors, which oppose the flow of current, inductors, which store energy in a magnetic field, and capacitors, which store energy in an electric field. All of these components together make up the electrical network of any system. Understanding how these parts work